right, to enter inside our next segment, where we will go talk to some guests, then we will get inside the house. Make we understand what in Wazobia Academy they do. And we get person where we say, of course, in the attaché with the French embassy for inside Nigeria, in name na Christophe Picot. He here with us inside studios to give us some kind light, throw light concerning what in Wazobia Academy they do. Picot, welcome to Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
Well done. I did ask off the camera, though, your favorite Nigerian meal. I was going to understand how you dealt with our Pepe, Atarodo. How did he deal with you?
Atarodo? What is that?
All right, so let's get straight to it. We understand that the French embassy is behind the free fashion training,
yes,
driven on by the Wazobia Academy. Kindly, throw a bit more light on that.
Yeah, of course. Actually, France is really keen on sharing, his experience in terms of e-learning, for example. Okay. And of course, it's very important for us to, support creative and cultural industry. Moreover, in Nigeria, you have a lot of gifted people in this sector, in this field. So we would like actually to help them to emerge, okay? And I think that this sector, cultural and creative industry, are a source of employment and education, of course. So I think it replies to a need of the youth Nigerian, I guess. So,
thank you.
Thank you
Sorry,
very
say
much.
I'm not introducing my Nigerian brother.
I was going to do that. See, again, before we move on to the next question, I would like to introduce Mr. Michael, popularly known as Kamos.
Yes.
Kamos, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so moving on, what is the motive behind the sponsorship of free training to Nigerians? Most in particular, I want to know, is there any kind of interest with the French embassy?
No, I think that, I think that culture...
The French government is...
Yeah, culture and cultural policy are a really truly effective way to strengthen our relationship, I think. So I think that it's not only government and public bodies, it's also entrepreneurs, it's also artists, and of course it's Nigerian youth, okay? So that's why we are keen to share our experience in terms of education and just to, help entrepreneurship to emerge and try to build, long-term relationship with Nigerian entrepreneurs in the field of creative and cultural industry, because it's my part. So I won't speak about industry of, I don't know, petrol or everything. No, my part is really cultural and creative industry.
So do we say that this is just a form of social corporate responsibility?
Yes, for sure. And I think that, you have a population very youth. So, I think that, and you have a lot of talents, last year there has been a young Nigerian who has been sent to the animation school Les Gobelins. Oh, wow. Very famous. Wow. And because he was selected among more than 1,000 of people. And this is a Nigerian youth who won the prize, and we get a scholarship from Netflix to study.
So now that you've mentioned the animation school,
yeah,
I would like to really find out if there are other ways, the French embassy or the French government, as it were, is also cashing into helping indigent Nigerians, those who cannot really afford most of these.
Yeah, of course, so there is fashion that with this trainership, with this training session that we are implementing, but also there are many plans going on. For example, next week I will go to an animation film festival in Annecy, yes, and the French embassy is supporting the trip of a dozen of animation Nigerian studio, and we will have also 5 project holders. We will pitch their project in front of many professionals, not only French, but also international stakeholders. And we will have a booth in the market area where the Nigerian studio will be able to meet with some French producer, French sales agent, but also international stakeholders. And this week, we have a guest coming from France. He's the president of esport France. It's an esport association. And he's going to meet esport Nigerian stakeholders just to try how we can collaborate, make some tournaments, and try to build a real ecosystem. And this is a will as well from the state of Lagos to build a real ecosystem dedicated to esport. Oh, wow. So there is not only fashion, but here we are speaking about fashion because this is an app which is very efficient, and there are so many people registered only 2 weeks, I guess.
Yes,
1 week.
yes.
It's crazy. It's crazy. You know, we already met, we already met a training session last year about script writing. It was very successful.
Oh,
very
wow.
successful.
Script writing.
Yes, we did
Yes.
script writing
Wow.
earlier.
This is really massive. It's really massive.
Yes.
This morning
I would like to throw the question to Michael this time around.
Yeah.
How many Nigerian youths are you looking at training for free on this very
as many as
stuff?
we can get. There is no limit. As many as we can get in the space of 3 months. You know, okay, I don't forget. I don't speak.
Speak Pidgin for us, like you are guy.
Yes, go ahead. I will learn.
We are talking the one hour people.
I have to learn, you
So
know.
plenty Nigerians as well.
Yeah.
How many Nigerian youths them that want target for
as
this
in, we don't get
project?
limits. We don't get limits. We try to train as many people as possible because now on top the app you get. And then the interesting thing is when we get to that 3 months, we dey select the top 20 learners. You know, say now online they learn things. So when we select the top 20 learners, we go bring them together to get a virtual session, you know, where they go see the trainers. Because for the app, they read text and they see videos of the trainers. So when we bring them, select those ones, they go meet with the people where they train them, where they see for the app.
Now, first, I go ask you this to sharply. You know, a lot of people go there out there now, they think, say, I like to come, I like to come. It really gets age limits from who and who they're eligible to come this training.
Once you are 16 years and you fall between 16 years and 65. So that one now don't cover almost
So
everybody.
me and Ochiko get hope like
You will
this.
not get hope now.
So what's it be the selection process really?
So it's easy. Just download the Wazobia Academy app
Okay.
and sign up for free.
Oh wow.
For free, yeah.
Okay.
So when you sign up, it takes you straight to the fashion course.
I really like the way now.
So I need to upload any of my ideas or anything.
Reach
No,
65
for there-
years.
For there, you dey read more. You go read and then you go watch videos of the trainer. They explain the thing where you read. And then there's some games where they there. You know, go be even be like say you go be like say they play game and you dey learn because that game now be the test. Just like you they write test for school that time when we dey. So the game now be the test.
Wow.
So you go play the game. The game now like questions about what you don't read, but na game in form of game. So when you play and finish, you enter the next stage.
If na so our teachers and be the set exam, for them
For
they
them-
jam now. If not hard like that.
Can we tell our people them, say maybe you when they watch us now, maybe you get 1 or 2 questions you want to ask us. If you just send us a quick WhatsApp message,
Yes.
we could just read and make we ask Mr. Christoph for you and Michael, sharp. Make we just ask
So
them.
make I also let you, Mr. Michael Uberia, and
Yes.
Mr. Christoph, let me let you know that we've got a chef here. So she's done something very nice, a Nigerian delicacy that you would love. So this is just to officially invite you for breakfast immediately after the show.
Oh,
I hope
great.
you oblige us.
Yes.
You will oblige us. We're on national TV. It's not like we're putting it to you.
Yeah, so Mr. Christoph, are there other benefits for the learners aside the free training?
Yeah, actually, I think that, no, I don't think, but it's confirmed, but the people, the students who will have completed training online, they might be selected to attend some session physically and virtually. So it will be just a small group of sessions who will be coached by Nigerian and French experts for a few weeks, okay? And I think it will be very precious for them to help them to have to receive a kind of private or personalized advice to have their project come true. So people have to work hard to be selected. So
That way
please,
they'll ask questions, get answers,
Yeah.
then directly from the trainers.
Okay, so Mr. Michael, I would like you make you throw more light on the processes. So we say people when they listen to us now, how they go fit use get these opportunities. We don't speak English, but more can for our country language, so that those of us, with people when they watch, we understand how they go fit.
Correct.
Get involved.
All right, so it's very easy. Just download now Android phone. You just need, and for those, a lot of people will be big girls and big chill with the big boys. iPhone they there. So just go. You can download from the Play Store the Wazobia Academy. Easy to download.
It's an application.
Yes.
So either an iOS or
yes.
Android.
So you just download, and when you download, you sign up, and it takes you straight to the fashion course.
Okay.
Now,
No educational requirement
No.
at all.
No, at
so even
all.
if I not go school, I'll be load that feature.
You can do
Mad,
you can
oh.
take it.
All right.
And then the interesting thing is this fashion course, they just train you about creativity. There's also a second trainer in that app where they teach you the business of fashion.
Okay. So make you continue the processes because you don't want question within my head concerning fashion.
Yeah, so now when you don't download the app, you don't register, you don't start the learning. So as you start the learning, you go see, say you go require to download the trainings, the topics now. So when you once you download them, any other when you study reach somewhere, won't go do another thing, can't stop. At any point in time when you come back, you can
pick
continue.
up from there. You continue.
Yes, and whether you get data or you don't get data, you can continue.
Wow, continue. So I from this part of the world, or my mother from this part of the world, who they make our own fabric, what they call akwete fabric. And I've done over the years, I don't get this idea of incorporating akwete fabric into modern fashion to just make my thing. But my problem is I don't feel match machine to save my life. Neither can I draw. I know sabi draw anything to say. So how person like me now, how am I going to help me?
All those things now you go learn because the person. The lady that is the trainer, Lisa Folawi, she's a very known person in the fashion world.
Amazing.
With international awards. So now, she herself, they hardly match machine or touch any of those.
She's a bit draw because drawing
she did design.
Yes, she could come up with the design, create very nice designs. And if you see her fabrics, fantastic.
So how about those with their hand straight to draw? You get any way for them to...
Then by the time you now come to the physical class for the top 20 people,
you go know all those things.
Wow.
My people,
amazing.
In case you dey watch us now, you dey think say you not get Android phone to take download or you not get iOS device, probably you get one friend or you get one sister or you get one neighbor where you fit just beg, say, I beg. I won't go one small class. Help me with that your phone. Make I just go the Google Play Store, go download Wazobia Academy, make I register. I beg. So somebody around you must get big phone. So I beg go meet them because this now opportunity where you don't want miss at all.
And money no they involved at all.
No money they involved.
Just
free.
Another thing where they need to expect is inside the app we get other things where people will learn. How to become TV presenter and radio presenter.
If you just open all this one, that means you go get 1 million people.
Now people say they don't get skills. Skills full everywhere. So now
how to write script. We did the script writing
Michael.
How to shoot films.
You don't open all this one. That means you better go look for all we go accommodate the crowd we go come.
Yeah. So and then by the time when you finish learning, there is certificate. Fantastic certificate.
Recognized certificate anywhere.
Yeah.
Including France.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So Michael, anywhere where you be say you get like a customer service line where person
yes, just send email for any inquiries. Maybe send email to info@wazobia.academy.
info@wazobia.academy.
Or they can call 090-88265038.
Okay.
Mr. Christoph, please just talk one word in pidgin. Food done ready.
Sorry?
Food done ready.
So say it after him. Food done ready. Say what you just said.
Food done ready.
Oh yeah, now.
Oh yeah, maybe go via chef
yeah,
because the food all set.